Mr. Ancona, so here's the maintenance coats on your boat. Thank you for reminding me that you wanted the amber lines. Now, of course, we have another sanding to do, and then we have the final coat to do. So, and then we'll have buffing after that, but we won't paint the lines. We have a line we got to fix, so we'll have to figure out how to make that amber. That shouldn't be a big deal. But thank you for the reminder. I couldn't understand why I bid that thing so low, and now I know, because we didn't have to paint the lines. Okay, so, and the sides look really good. We did a lot of color correction on the sides. Your ceiling boards also have finals on them, and you have a new exhaust manifold. We had a used exhaust. It's new to you. Can't get new ones. So we have had another used exhaust manifold, and turned out your old exhaust manifold not only had one visible leak, but it had a lot of other leaks as well, as it turned out. And there might have been an internal leak that could have been causing the carburetor problem. The other problem that we found was that the linkage between the two carburetors was set up improperly. And basically the rear carburetor was doing all the work. Therefore, it was running out of gas because there wasn't as much gas going to the front carburetor as there was going to the rear carburetor. So that's kind of interesting. And, in many cases, when we get a boat in for restoration, we find that we spend a lot of time undoing what's been done in the past. And so we can just add this undoing to the previous undoings. So anyhow, of course, you got your cover made. You saw your cover. It's got tent poles in it. 2 tent poles behind the cockpit. This is your old flooring, and we'll be using this to cut out your new flooring and install your new flooring. And I think that's about it for this update. If I left any questions unanswered, let me know, and we'll talk to you soon.